Hi everyone, my name is Praveen. So today I'm going to tell you about how I got corona, like a positive. So I'm a positive patient now. So 15th, which actually I got a mild fever. So then 16th I have some stomach upset, like loose motion. So uh, again a Friday and same like uncomfortable body pain. And then Saturday I lost my taste, food taste. I lost my aroma, like aroma taste feel, like this thing smell. Apart from that, I got have a like I have doubt. So then when I got loose motion, at that time I was isolated myself because of thinking of my parents and family. So to be take precaution is better. So then so I stay like isolated myself with my have one single room, attached bathroom. So I isolated myself. So then Monday, 15th, I have a mild fever, so I went to clinic and got checked by the doctor. They said that okay, it's a viral fever, nothing to worry. Then he gave a hope and sent me back. Then I got these all symptoms which previous. So then Monday. So I have like a doubt. Better to like I informed my office also. Like their office, they forcing to take a test. So then I decide to take a test. I consult my doctor to give a. So voluntarily I went to take a test, which so then as my clinic doctor. So then he given prescriptions of COVID-19 test. So I took and I went to Rangadurai. So Rangadurai, which is in nearby Chamrajpet. So they will charge you 3,500 rupees. So then they will before testing, so they will ask for the form to fill a form. So in that form it's linked with the Arogya Setu app. So where they will ask your number, and they have to tell them, they will type in Arogya Setu one this what application. Then they will send you one OTP. You have to tell them. Then whatever the result it will come, it will post in Arogya Setu app. So then 23rd, which I Tuesday, which I went to test. So evening around night around 10:30, they've announced my result. So I didn't check. Morning 5:30, which I got up and checked my mobile. So kind of a thing. So then Arogya Setu app was blinking. So then I opened. So then I got to news, like they posted you have a positive COVID positive. So then and there then the BBMP authorities and local body doctors have called me regarding to check whether what are the symptoms and how is my health. So is I'm separate or some like a kind of an issue. So then and then and there they everyone called me regarding, because in Arogya Setu app it's showing if a person, if see I'm infected person. So if another person calling to my number, then if the calling person is installed Arogya Setu app, then they will get a notification you are contacting a COVID-19 patient. So it's an one good like a good symbolic and addressing the danger, like you're contacting this thing. So then local bodies and called me on. So Tuesday I got to know the test results. Sorry, Wednesday morning I got to know result. Then Thursday, which I stayed in like a stadium home. Thursday afternoon, ambulance came. So like one doctor also called, Shiva Murthy, some as a doctor. I guess his name Shiva Murthy. So he called me and asked about my health and issues. So then he gave a chance, Praveen, you are like okay. You have two option to you can go for a hospital, or else you can we arranged a Hajj Bhavan near Tanisandra. So where it located in Yalanka. So there Then I said okay fine, so I asked, checked with people also, like a local BBMP guys and this thing. So they also suggested it's a good one, because then if you go to hospital, it's very dangerous, because very critical issues where they will treating. So it's my like which I tested is like mine is a mild one, which corona type A. So I can get recover as fast. So as my age is 28 years, so nothing to worry. So it will stay in my body around 18 days, because my immunity system fight against 18 days. So that is not a big deal. Okay fine, then I said okay fine, uh, then and there, so I got to fear. So the thing is, food which I'm after getting to know that, so what all I consume, like have to consume 5 garlic piece, so with a dipped honey, and one lemon juice, with hot water with mixed half a liter you have to drink morning and night within the empty stomach. So then the normal kashayam jeera and pudina tulasi, so whatever is possible near peppermint, whatever it's getting, you make it as a kashayam. And food overall you have to completely have very healthy and this thing healthy and protein food. So you have to, if you're not feeling hunger also, then you forcefully you have to have, because you may not get much hunger also. Regarding tablets which I'm taking, if because your hospital also they will just give you a fever or whatever the symptoms you are getting, for that they will give the tablets, not more than for the corona. So better it's okay. Food also, and one more thing, chawan prakash dabur chawan prakash also you can take morning 1 spoon to like a night 1 spoon, which I'm taking. Food also regularly which I'm having. Drink plenty of water as much as. So then okay fine, I was talking about Hajj Bhavan. So then I got a call from the Hajj Bhavan. So then they will arrange, BBMP guys arranged me one ambulance, where they've ambulance guy called on Thursday afternoon. So then I said that you wait in a Chickpet nearby metro station main road. So I will come, because if you come near in area, then they will look some guilty, like somewhat so that's why it's in the most publicity and this thing. So that's why I told ambulance driver. So then I went outside along with my backpacks, because you have to stay here 15 days. So better you can take one like a paste brush, so plates, then what all things you like accessible, like charger, gadgets. So because 15 days it's hardly you have to spend here. So then towel, bed sheet, then for 2 3 sets of dress and 2 night pants, it's more than enough I guess. Then better you can take electrical flask. So like, you can make hot water here. So because here you will not get hot water, so there which you can prepare by yourself and you can consume, because hot water is must and should. So it's a hygiene factor. Here okay fine, so I reached Thursday afternoon. So I will show you how is the facilities here, how they will treat. So you can check in this video, just a minute, I will show you. So this is the place, guys, this is the place which this is the first entry, this is the patient. uh, okay, this is the place which this is Raj Bhavan, this is the mask area. So okay, so this is the room actually. This is the room, wash, like this is washroom. uh, this is you can bath here. So there here bathroom is there, you can storage space is there luckily. So this is the beds. which like a 5-star kind of an setup, fully setup. But I'm not staying, this is in a one room opposite to me, it's an empty, so that's why to show you a empty room, I will show you my room. So this is my room, where, yeah, so this is the room which I'm using. So here tub, so after going for a washroom we have to spray this one sanitizer every time. So here hygienic, and this is what which one bed and one person, and leaving a gap, so another, so we have a lot of space here also. So first thing they will give 2 liters of water bottle is okay, fine. So you can like take how much ever you want. So this is the kit which they given from Mysore Sandal. So one detergent soap and a paste, brush, and bathing soap. This is the bed and kind of a medicine. This is the medicine which they will give. Yes, erythromycin, the calcium. These are the medicine. This is the first update of mine. So this is the outside, this is the old structure which I'm staying. Okay, chill guys, no worries, I'll post you next video. Bye.